How to do a makeup look like this super quick. To do your makeup really quickly, you need the right makeup products. So let's get started. This is Myricks Complexion Stick, which I love to use for my under eye. You can use this stick all over your face. I'm only using it to highlight because I accidentally ordered a lighter shade. I'm trying to get ready real quick. Cream products are going to be very useful to you. So I am using Myricks Yummy Skin Balm Blurring Powder. And I'm just gonna dip my brush in. Next quick product is Tarte's Quick Stick. Again, cream products. It's a shadow stick on one side and an eyeliner on the other. Bring it down here into the lower lash line and then just kind of blend it outwards with my finger. Pretty. So the other side is a liner, which I'm going to apply in my waterline. So iMethod sent me this eyeliner stamp. Let's see how it works out. With two wands, one is for your right wing and one is for your left wing. So one side is a pen and the other side is the stamp. That is so easy. Oh my God. It's applying pretty smoothly. This is, wow. But this one applies really nicely and easy. For mascara, you want to use a mascara that really coats your lashes quickly and does not get messy. So I'm going to use Milk Makeup's Kush Waterproof Mascara. You don't want to use a mascara that is too liquidy and it might make a mess on your eyes and then you're going to have to spend time trying to clean it up. Go ahead and apply this Merit lipstick. This lipstick is really good because it's very lightweight and not messy at all. So when you're putting on lipstick on your lips really quickly, this is a good one to use. It's a very comfortable, lightweight formula and I love the packaging. More cream products. For my bronzer, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty cream bronzer. Oh, I used way too much. Oops. I would recommend going for a lighter bronzer when you're trying to do a quick makeup look. I just happen to not have a lighter shade in this product, but I like it for a quick look because it blends out seamlessly. But as you can see, it's a little too dark for me. So the Merit stick is also really great for cleaning up any sort of makeup mess. There you go, my bronzer looks much better. For your blush, go with more of neutral shades. So I'm going with this Moira cream blush in the shade I Respect You. And cream blushes that do not dry down tend to also leave a glow on your face. So you can actually just apply the cream blush and not have to apply a highlighter. But I am going to apply highlighter. You could use any highlighter. This is MAC's highlighter. And yes, I am going to apply powder over cream and just bring it and use it to blend the blush out. And here I'm again using the Merit stick to fix my makeup in exactly the way I want it to look. All right, all done. I hope that was helpful for you guys. Thank you. Bye.